Hello, in this video we are going to look at how you can easily create a CSV file to bulk upload your contacts right into Interakt. Head over to the contacts section on your dashboard and click on Create Contacts. Right there, you'll see an option to download sample CSV. Go ahead and click that to get your template. Now you can open this file in Excel, but since I don't have Excel on this computer, I'm going to use Google Sheets instead. Either one works perfectly. Let's import the file we just downloaded. As you can see, the template gives you several columns. But here is the important part. The only truly necessary information is the phone number. You can handle this two different ways. If you have your country codes and phone numbers in separate columns, you can use the country code as and phone number columns and delete the full phone number 1. If you already have the full number combined, meaning the country code followed by the 10 digits, then you can just use the full phone number column and delete the other two. For my sheet, I have them separated, so I'll just delete the full phone number column to keep things clean. All the other columns, like email, appointment time, or WhatsApp opt-in, are completely optional. If you don't need them, just select them and delete them. Let's clean that up. Perfect. Now, let's just add one more contact here as an example. Put in the name, the country code, and the number. Once your list is ready, it's time to export it. If you're using Google Sheets, just click on File, go to Download, and select comma-separated values by CSV. If you are using Excel, just make sure you use Save As, and select the CSV, comma-delimited format. With our file downloaded, let's head back to Interakt. Click on Select the CSV, choose the file we just created, and hit Submit. Give it a quick confirmation, and that's it. Thank you.